I'm Dave, and this is Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
If you like bold flavors and you're craving a little heat for your next game day, you are in for a treat. Today we're making Chorizo Stuffed Jalapeno Poppers with Oaxaca Cheese. These are the ultimate fusion of spicy, cheesy goodness, and they're easy to make on the Kamado Joe. We start with the chorizo. Heat a skillet over medium heat and break the chorizo apart with a spoon. You want it browned and thoroughly cooked. Chorizo is delicious, but it can be greasy. Once it's cooked, drain it on paper towels. We want those poppers to be cheesy, not greasy. While that cools, let's prepare the peppers. Rinse the jalapenos and slice them right down the middle lengthwise. Use a paring knife to scrape out the seeds in the white membrane and make a little boat. And please wear gloves. I learned that lesson the hard way. You do not want to rub your eyes after handling those seeds. For the cheese, I'm using Oaxaca cheese. It's a mild Mexican string cheese that melts beautifully. If you can't find it, Monterey Jack works great too. Place a chunk right inside that pepper boat. Then we pile on that cooked chorizo. Press it down so it fills in all the gaps around the cheese. Set up your Kamado Joe for indirect heat at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the stuffed jalapenos on a foil covered tray and bake inside your smoker. They need about 20 to 25 minutes. You want the peppers tender and the filling golden and bubbly. To finish them off, drizzle a little Mexican crema or sour cream over the top. Serve with wedges of fresh lime. Crunchy, spicy, creamy, and savory. This is a crowd pleaser. Give these a try for your next party and let me know in the comments how they turn out. Hey, if you liked the video, please subscribe and watch my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.